Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat the spicy noodles. And today we've got one from Japan. This is Peyoung Yakisoba Hell Curry. This came from Sugoi Mart. You can go to SUGOIMART.com and check them out. Don't have a coupon code for you, but they've got some neat stuff. Anyways, my assistant here is gonna say, have a drink of your beverage. Say, have a drink of your beverage. She's being a nut and she's licking the stove and she's about to get a timeout. Stop licking things. It's disgusting. Alright, move. I need a ready, set, go. Actually, why don't we look at what I'm going to assimilate. A rotating plate of noodles. So I want a really loud and boisterous. Ready, set. I want a really loud, boisterous, ready, set, go. Can you give that to me?
Ready, set, go!
Oh my God. Done. Oh man. Well, it's got a bit of a burn to it. My lips are burning pretty good. My tongue's burning. But as for hell spicy, it's got heat. I think drinking that kind of spread it around my palate a little bit more, but as for flavor, you know, the one I really want to try is the apple yakisoba. There's like a sweet one that they make. And at one point they made a chocolate one. I'm really interested in like the dessert style things like that. Did I do good?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's even spinning. It's spinning around.
I want it to
You like how it spins around? Yeah. I'll turn it off. Well, yeah, my nose is running. Yeah, my mouth is on fire. It's not killing me though. It really isn't. Anyways, well, that was fun. I'll eat again at dinner time.